Hey friends, in today's video, we are going to explore the top 8 favorite foods in the world, their origin, and the reasons why they are so popular. Number 8. Eggs. For many people, eggs are an integral part of a full and healthy breakfast. But while the omelette or a boiled egg may seem like Western dishes, eggs have been used across the world in various shapes and forms for almost 10,000 years, including about 5,000 years in Egypt and 3,000 years in Europe. Throughout history, humans have valued the nutritional value and versatility that eggs provided, cooking them, adding them to various other dishes, or even eating them raw. Number 7. Rice. Although the earliest civilization used mainly wheat cultures, rice has been around for around 5,000 years. According to some estimates, rice has fed more people than any other type of grain. Over the centuries, rice has become an integral part of some of the most popular cuisines in the world. It has been used across cultures in Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. The reason why rice has been so prominently used around the world is its versatility. It can grow in almost any conditions, and thus has fed many generations of people in various climate zones. Number 6. Bread. No list of food would be complete without the inclusion of bread, the most basic of foods, that's also a symbol of civilization and agriculture. The first traces of bread were found in the current Egypt territories more than 10,000 years ago. Since then, it has been reimagined in various forms across the globe. This makes it one of the top 10 most eaten foods in the world, perhaps even the most eaten, period. Although most people, when thinking of bread, imagine it being made from wheat, it can actually be made from almost any kind of grain. Number 5. Salad. Vegetables have been an integral part of the human diet for thousands of years, so it's not surprising that salads are some of the most popular dishes in the world. A salad is healthy, easy to make, very versatile, and allows getting the most out of the available fresh produce. The only limitation on this dish comes from the specific ingredients that are available and the imagination of the chef. The first recorded instances of salad dishes can be traced back to Roman times. This is where they get their name as well. Salad is derived from the word salt because, back then, salads featured a salt-based dressing. Number 4. Soup. Although the category of soup may be a bit more general than the foods discussed previously, it is so prominent in all cultures of the world that it deserves to be looked at from a broader perspective. It might just be the most consumed food in the world. From what we know, it was already being eaten by humans as far as 20,000 years ago. The unique flavors that can be created by boiling different ingredients in hot water offered a convenient and delicious way to consume produce. This is why you'd be hard-pressed trying to find a type of food that has a more diverse range of recipes. Number 3. Hamburger. Today, hamburgers are considered a staple dish in the United States, and they're served everywhere from McDonald's to high-end restaurants. However, the beef sandwich that is known as a hamburger today didn't actually originate in the United States but was, In fact, created in the German city of Hamburg, which helps explain the origin of the name. The hamburger first became popular in the 19th century as a minced cow meat patty that was served as a steak, without the bun. Later, as German immigrants brought their favorite foods to the US, the Hamburg steak became popular there as well. Number 2. Pasta. Pasta is not only one of the most consumed foods in the world, but it's also one of the most accessible. Numerous cultures from around the globe have their own variations of pasta. If talking about the Italian variant of pasta, it is made using durum wheat, water, and sometimes eggs. The high gluten and low moisture qualities of pasta make it perfect for cutting it into various shapes and serving with a range of sauces, as it can blend with and enhance almost any flavor. Number 1. Pizza. No list of the most popular food in the world can be complete without the inclusion of pizza. Although historians are still disputing when exactly the first pizza came to be, the truth is, various forms of pizza or focaccia have existed for thousands of years. It's the modern form that only just appeared in the last couple of hundred years. The Italian immigrants that came to America in the late 19th century brought their culinary heritage with them as well, and it's not surprising that a simple yet brilliant dish like the pizza became an instant hit in the US and worldwide, with many people naming it the best dish in the world.